November 24th, 2020. Initial inspection and cleaning of 1969 Dodge C500. This is an original floor mat in pretty poor shape, but is relatively intact. Mouse droppings and all. There was evidence of a soundproofing mat underneath. Not much left anymore. This is cleaning in preparation for long-term storage. 1984 Rampage in mint condition. Story for another day. Again, mat is more intact. Of course, on the passenger side, boot is slightly damaged. Radiator disconnected, or heater core disconnected. Most of the cables are frozen. Need to figure out how to pull the knobs off. So, more later.